Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do the messenger heart effect option. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So just follow me, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your messenger, and then you need to log in with your account. Once you do all of that, you'll be over here in this particular platform. So just choose any conversation. Let's say I'm going to be choosing this conversation, and then go to their profile, and you'll be having a option which says war effect. Just go over here, and on your left bottom you'll be having this emoji option. Just go over here and choose heart option like this, and then just type a word or phrase. So I'm gonna be doing a hello, and just place it like this. And now once you go over here, let's say just type hello, and then the heart effect will be on like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so I never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.